A C blowing warm air, heater acting up. At Crockett's Refrigeration and Air Inc., we provide expert HVAC maintenance and repair to keep your system running smooth season after season. From strange noises to full breakdowns, we troubleshoot fast, fix it right, and help prevent costly problems down the road. Residential and commercial service, AC, and heating repairs, routine maintenance for all units. Stay comfortable all year long with service you can count on. Crockett's Refrigeration and Air Inc. Your air, our care.